Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add Rythm Bot to Discord. So open your browser and open a new tab and type here top.gg. After launching this website, type here Rythm and hit enter. Scroll down and as you can see I've got the Rythm Bot here, so I'm gonna clicking on invite and I'm gonna selecting my server here, continue, authorize and ensure that you're not a robot, and I'm gonna opening my server. And as you can see I've successfully added Rythm Bot to my server. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.